Hello students, how are you? Welcome to YouTube channel of Oxford Education. In this video we are going to discuss one of the most important topic of statistic, that is measure of central tendency. The name of topic is measure of central tendency. So what you have to measure? We have to measure the central tendency of the given data, and for that different values are there. You have to find the mean of the data. You can find the central of tendency of the given data by finding its median and also by mode. So in standard 9 we have to discuss three important measure of central tendency, that is mean, median and mode. So first one is mode. First measure of central tendency is mode. So what is mode? Mode of given data. First we will start with the mean. We discussed mode last one. So first one is mean. Mean. So mean of given data is nothing but the sum of all the observations. It is ratio of sum of all the observations divided by total number of observations. That is the formula to find the mean of any given data. So here basically there are two types of given data. For example, if ungrouped data is there, so for ungrouped data, the formula for the mean is basically the mean is represented by x bar. So for ungrouped data, we have to consider the sum of all the observations. For example, given observations are x1, x2, x3 up to xn. Suppose n number of observations are given. So if you want to find the mean of this ungrouped data, so that is represented by x bar, and here you have to consider sum of all the observations. So it's x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn divided by total number of observations. Here 1 to n, total n number of observations are there. So this sum of all the observations is also represented by using one mathematical symbol. That mathematical symbol is nothing but the sigma. This can be read as sigma. So here sigma means sum. It will take the sum of all the n number of observations starting from 1 and up to n. So here we have to define our subscript I, which is start from 1 and it will goes up to n. Sum of all the numbers from 1 to n. Which number? X. And what is I? This is subscript. So it's for I is equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3, we have to put I from 1 to n. So we are getting sum of n number of observations divided by n, that is number of observations. So this is the formula of mean for the ungrouped data. Sometimes the given data, given observation may be grouped data. Along with the observation, we are given frequency of the data. So for that type of group data, suppose observation x1 is there, x2 is there, x3 is there. So frequency of data, observation x1 may occur n number of times, observation x2 may occur m number of times. So different frequencies are also given along with the observation. So that type of data is known as group data. So if group data is given, so the formula to find the mean of that group data is nothing but the sum of all the observation from 1 to n. You have to multiply that frequency with given data, sigma fi xi, and then you have to consider sum of all the frequencies, sum of all the frequency of all the given data, that is total number of observation. So here your total number of observation n is nothing but the sigma I equal to 1 to n fi. Clear? So this is the formula to find the mean of any given number for group data. So you have to remember these two formula to find the mean of any given number. This is first measure of central tendency of any given data. The second measure of central tendency for any given data is median. Median are represented by capital M. So to find the median of any given data, first step you have to rearrange the data. Arrange the data in ascending or descending order. So arrange given observations in ascending or descending order. First step to find the median of any given data is to arrange the given observations into ascending order or descending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order means the observations start from the lowest value, lowest to highest, है ना. जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे वैल्यू इंक्रीज होती जाएगी. For descending order, you have to arrange the given observations from highest value to the lowest value. That means जैसे जैसे हम आगे बढ़ेंगे ऑब्जर्वेशन की वैल्यू डिक्रीज होती जाएगी. That is known as descending order. So you have to arrange the given data either in ascending order or descending order. After arranging the given data, your step number 2. Step number 2, you have to find the number of observations. You have to find the number of observations. Number of observation, that is nothing but the small n. You have to calculate the number of observations, for which you have to find the median. If that number of observations are even number of observation n is even number, then the formula to find the median is nothing but the, for even number it's n by second observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation whole divided by 2. It's a mean of n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation, that is median. And if number of observations n are odd, then median of the given data is nothing but the n plus 1 by 2th number of observation. You have to find the order of this number. Clear, students? So this is the these are the two formula by which you can find the median of any given data. Done? These are the two formula to find the median. Third measure of central tendency is mode. Mean, median and mode. Mode is represented by Z. Mean is represented by X bar. Median is represented by capital M, and mode is represented by capital Z. Now mode, सबसे easiest formula. Mode of the given observation is nothing but the observation with maximum frequency. Observation with maximum frequency means the observation which occurs maximum times in given data. Observation which occurs maximum times in given data. The observation with the highest frequency. Observation with the highest frequency, that means the observation which occurs maximum times in a given data, that is mode of given data. Clear, students? So these are the three measures of central tendency for the given data. So that we have to study. So these are the basic. Okay, students. So let's do some sums based on measure of central tendency. So first question. So here we are given that find the mean of first 10 multiples of 7. Find the mean of first 10 multiples of 7. You have to write down the question in your notebook. I am just doing the solution of the given question. So first question is find the mean of first 10 multiple of 10. First 10 multiples of 7. You have to find the mean. So you have to write 10 multiples of 7. So multiples of 7 are multiples of 7. First 10 multiples of 7 are 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70. Right? So these are the first 10 multiples of 7. You have to find the mean of this given data. So mean of given data, what is the formula? Mean is represented by x bar. Mean is nothing but the sum of all the observations. Sum of all the observations. Sum of all the observations divided by total number of observations. So which are the observations? Observations are nothing but the first 10 multiples of 7. So these are the first 10 multiples of 7. So their sum. So you have to write the sum of all the multiples. So it's a 7 plus 14 plus 21 plus 28 plus 35 plus 42 plus 49 plus 56 plus 63 plus 70 divided by total number of observations. First 10 multiples, so it's a 10. So here you have to consider the sum. Perform sum of this all the observations. 7 plus 14 plus 2, so it's a 385. Sum is 385 divided by 10. So it's a 38.5. Sum of all the observations, x bar is 38.5. Clear? Now question number 2. Very simple sums are there. Question number 2. Calculate the mean of first 5 prime numbers. Calculate the mean of first 5 prime numbers. You have to find the mean of first 5 prime numbers. So prime numbers start from the 2. Which are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers having only 2 factors, 1 and number itself. So it starts from 2. 2 is the only even prime number. Then 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. These are the first 5 prime numbers. You have to find the mean of these first 5 prime numbers. So that mean is x bar equal to sum of observations. You have to write this formula for all the sums. Sum of observations, that is x bar, that is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 divided by 5 observations. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 11 21 plus 7 28 divided by 5. So multiply and divide by 2. So it's a 56 by 10. So our answer is 5.6. So the mean of first 5 prime numbers is 5.6. Clear students? Now next question. Question number 3. So third question. Here we are given that mean of 10, 12, 18, 13. Mean of 10, 12. क्वेश्चन लिखने के लिए मना किया था लेकिन लिखना पड़ेगा. 10, 12, 18, 13 है ना. क्वेश्चन लिखेंगे ना तो ये जो क्वेश्चन है उसकी फीलिंग आएगी. सो 10, 12, 18, 13, x and 17. X and 17. The mean of this observation is, mean is given. The mean of this given observation is 15. Find the value of the x. One observation is unknown. So total number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 observations are there. Out of 6 observations, one observation x is unknown and its mean is given. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. So mean is given. So now, according to our formula, mean x bar is nothing but the sum of observation. It is also represented by sigma xi divided by n. Here you can write I equal to 1 to n है ना. कुछ लोग लिखते हैं कुछ लोग नहीं लिखते, ऐसे लिखते हैं तो भी चलेगा. सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. सो हियर सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन इक्वल टू mean is given. The mean x bar is 15 equal to sum of observation. So it's a 10 plus 12 plus 18 plus 13 plus x plus 17 divided by number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 observations are there. Now simplify this, cross multiply. 15 6 are 90 equal to, now sum of this observation 12 plus 18 30 plus 10 40 40 plus 60 and 70. So it's a 70 plus x. So we are getting x equal to 90 minus 70. So that unknown observation is x equal to 20. X equal to 20 is the unknown observation. Clear? One more question is there. So here we are given that the mean of 10, 12, 16, 20. The mean of 10, 12, 16, 20p and p is unknown and 26 is 17. Mean is 17. Find the value of p. Find the value of p. So the mean of this observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 observation is 17. So you can also write given. Given. So mean is given x bar equal to 7 and observations are 10, 12, 16, 20, p and 26 and number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 है ना. गिवन आप लिखो, उसके बाद फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करो. सो फॉर्मूला मीन एक्स बार इक्वल टू सिग्मा एक्स आई by n, total number of observations. So here x bar is given, so put the value of that x bar. Mean of the given data is 17, so mean is 70 equal to sum of observations. So it's a 10 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20 plus p divided by number of observations are 6. Since 17 6 are 102 equal to p plus addition of these numbers 10 plus 12 22 42 and 16 plus 26 बाकी था. So it's a 84. So p equal to 102 minus 84 equal to 18. 18 is the answer. Clear students? So this is how you can find the mean of any given data. Find the median of following data. So here given observations are 95, 65, 75, 95, 65, 75, 70, 75, 100, 70, 75, 100, 50, 40, 50, 40. These are the observations. Here you have to find the median of given data. So to find the median of any given data, we have to follow two steps. First step, you have to arrange given data into ascending order or descending order. So generally we are arranging the data in this ascending order. So arranging given observations in ascending order. First you have to rearrange the data in ascending order. So we start with the lowest observation. So lowest observation is 40. So first you have to write 40. Then 50. After 50, 65 is there. After 65, 70 is there. After 70, 2 times 75 and 95 and then 100. Done. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You have to verify your data. Now, so number of observations are which is n equal to 8. So 8 is even number. Two formulas are there to find the median of any given data. So that is based on number of observations. So here number of observations are 8, which is even. So for even data, the formula to find the median is n by 2 number of observation plus n by 2 plus 1 number of observation divided by 2. It's a mean of n by 2 observation and n by 2 plus 1 observation. That is the median of given number of data if they are even. So what is n? 4. So it's a 8. So 8 by 2, it's a fourth observation. So you have to find fourth observation plus 4 plus 1, fifth observation divided by 2. So the median of given data is nothing but the mean of fourth and fifth observation. So you have to start from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is the fourth and fifth observation. So which is 70 plus 75 by 2. So 0 plus 5, 5, 7 plus 7, 14 by 2. So 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So it's a 72.5. So the median of given data is 72.5. Clear, students? So this is how you can find the median. Suppose the question is, what is the mode of this given data? So mode is very simple. Mode is nothing but the observation which occurs maximum times. So here 95 one time is there, 65 one time is there, 75 two times, 70 one time, 100 one time, 50 one time and 40 one time. So the frequency of observation 75 is 2 because 75 occurs 2 times. So the mode of given data is 75 because the maximum frequency, we can say frequency of this data is 2, है ना. सबसे ज़्यादा बार आ रहा है 75, 2 times आ रहा है. So that is the mode of given data. So this is how you can find the median of given data and mode of any given data. Now next question number 6. Here you are given that find the median of first 10 prime numbers. Find the median of first 10 prime numbers. Median of first 10 prime numbers. So we have to write first 10 prime numbers. So prime numbers. So which are the prime numbers? Numbers having only two factors, 1 and number itself. So it's a 2, 3, 5, 7, then 9, 10, 11, 13, 17, 19, कितने हुए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, then 23 and 29. These are the first 10 prime numbers. So number of observations n equal to 10, and they are already in ascending order. पहले से हमने start किया, so they are already in ascending order. So number of prime numbers are 10 which are even. So what is the median? So median for even number of data, same formula, n by 2 observation, n by second number of observation plus n by 2 plus 1th number of observation and divided by 2. Our n is 10, so it's a 10 by 2. 10 by 2 means fifth, 5. So you have to consider fifth observation plus 6th observation. This is 10 by 2, 5 plus 1, so it's a 6th observation divided by 2. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So fifth and sixth observation 11 and 13. So it's 11 plus 13 by 2, that is equal to 24 by 2, and therefore median of this given data is 12. The median of first 10 prime numbers is 12. Clear, students? So this is how you can solve. Consider question number 7, and sorry for that blur video. The following observations have been arranged in ascending order. If the median of data is 65, find the value of x. So here we are given observations. The observations are observations are 32, 35, 50, 51, x plus 2, 73, 76, 83 and 90. These are the observations. So these all observations arranged in ascending order. They are already given in ascending order. If the median of data is 65, find the value of this x. You have to find the value of x. So here number of observations, that is the value of n, and that is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So total 10 observations are there. So which is even? Number of observations are even, and median of the data is 65. Median is given 65. Now for even number of observation, formula of median is it's a n by 2th number of observation plus n by 2 plus 1th number of observation divided by 2. So here median m is 65. So 65 equal to number of observation n equal to 10. So 10 by 2, 5. Fifth observation plus 5th plus 1, 6th observation. So 5th observation plus 6th observation divided by 2. Multiply this 2 with 65. So it's a 130. 130 equal to 5th plus 6. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is 5th and 6th observation. X plus 2. So it's a 2x. So 2x equal to 130 minus 2. So 128 and x equal to 64. Question is find the value of x. So our answer is x equal to 64. Clear, students? Now check this question number 8. The mean of observations was 160. Mean of total 40 observations are given. So here x bar mean is given, which is 160, and number of observations n equal to 40. Total 40 observations are there, and the mean of that 40 observation is 160. Now it was detected on rechecking that the value 165 was wrongly copied as 125. Now this is the point. And a total 40 observations are there, and we are finding the mean of that 40 observations, and that answer is 160. And after the verification, it is known that 165 was wrongly copied as 125. So instead of observation 165, we have considered the wrong observation 125. So now you have to correct your answer. This is wrong answer. No, this is incorrect mean. Now you have to find the correct mean. So how it can be found? So let's check it. So first you have to start with the formula of mean. So what is mean? Mean is nothing but the sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. So here mean is given. Mean is 160 and sum of all the observations divided by n. Number of observations are 40. So sum of all the observations, that means sum of all 40 observation is nothing but the 160 into 40. So it's a 64000. This is sum of all the observations. How many observations are there? 40 observations. But in this sum, we have considered this 165 wrongly copied as a 125. So one observation is wrong observation, and that wrong observation is 125. So here our wrong observation is 125. And read the statement properly. It was detected on rechecking that the value 165 was wrongly copied as 125. जो right हमारा जो observation था, right observation, that right observation is 165, but instead of 165 it was wrongly copied as 125. That means we have considered 125 as a wrong observation. That means in this sum we have considered 125 as our actual observation, but our actual observation is 165. So wrong observation is 125 and actual right observation is 165. So now you have to find the corrected mean. So to find the correct mean, we have to correct this sum of observation, है ना, क्योंकि हमने 40 ऑब्जर्वेशन का टोटल सम किया, उसमें हमने एक ऑब्जर्वेशन रॉन्ग करके रख दिया था. तो यहाँ पर ऑब्जर्वेशन, टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन तो हमारे राइट ही है. Number of observations are true, that is 40, but sum is wrong because the value of observation is wrong. So here we are finding the corrected sigma xi. So what is corrected sigma xi? So whatever the sigma xi is there, from that sigma xi we will subtract wrong observation. We will subtract wrong observation and then we will add right observation. Wrong observation or true observation, you can write anything. So we will get the corrected sigma xi. So from the observation, sum of observation 6400, now जो wrong लिया था उसको हम subtract कर देंगे और फिर से जो right वाला observation है उसको हम add कर देंगे. Clear students? So कितना difference आएगा? 40. So it's a 6440. That is our corrected sigma xi is 6440. 6440 is our corrected sigma xi. That means corrected sum of observation. Number of observations are true 40, so we'll get the correct mean. So therefore our correct mean is corrected sigma xi divided by number of observations. वो तो हमने 40 लिए थे, है ना, इसमें से एक wrong था. So it's a 6440 divided by 40. So cutting is 6 1 is 6, 161. So your corrected mean instead of 160, it's a 161. Corrected mean is 161 is our answer. Clear students? So this is how you can find the correct mean when the observations are interchanged. So pause the video to note it down.